Hi there underwater filmmakers and welcome back to the channel. I have just pulled this package out of my mailbox and I'm assuming it's got something to do with filming underwater. Shall we unbox it? Let's get on it. Hi and welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School. Thank you so much for tuning in again, guys. Now for those of you who are new here, my name is Matthias. I'm an underwater cinematographer and filmmaker based in Zurich, Switzerland. And on this channel here at the Underwater Filmmaking School, we talk about filming underwater. That's what it's all about. We talk about how you guys can achieve the best possible results when you take a camera underwater and wanna come back with some stunning underwater video footage. Now in today's video, as mentioned just before in the intro, we have a little package to unbox and see what's in here. I'm assuming that this is from my friends at OrcaTorch, so I'm assuming there might be some new lighting equipment for us in there. Let's have a quick look. So to unbox the package, I've obviously got my Swiss Army knife. So let's have a quick look, which this is okay. I'm Swiss, I'm allowed to have a Swiss Army knife and use it for unboxing. I don't have one of those fancy knives that other YouTubers have. This is tougher than what I thought. Right. All right, here we go. Not quite yet. It's just a matter of hours. All right, here we go. Garbage, garbage, garbage. What's in here? Oh, that's a nice little pouch. What's in there? Oh, I know what that is. You put that at the back of your tank, around the neck of your tank, and it flashes so that you can actually find your body, or you're not losing your body while being underwater. Now these, as far as I know, come in different colors as well, so you can group your your dive groups matching to the colors. Really cool. Thank you OrcaTorch for sending me this. This is great. This is not what I was expecting, but very cool. I'll test that out on the next dive. What else have we got in here? Because that can't be everything. There we go. There's something else in here. Let's have a look. Here we go. All right. So we have a underwater diving light, and it is the OrcaTorch. Which one is it? The D530. So this actually is not an underwater video light, but it is an underwater, an underwater torch, an underwater flashlight, whichever way you wanna put it. Let's open this up and see what is inside the box. So opening all this up, it just folds out. We've got the torch itself, the flashlight, which has a push button to activate it. It comes in the usual OrcaTorch black color. It comes with their orange little rubber ring at the back, which is quite handy because it gives you some grip when you're trying to open or close the torch. It's got a very normal mechanism, screw mechanism to open it up, and the battery is already inside here. So the battery that gets supplied with the OrcaTorch D530 is quite special in the way that you don't get a charger supplied with the torch, with the flashlight, but you do get a small little micro USB cable, and this I have never seen before on a battery for any kind of light. You've got a connection for a micro USB cable right inside of the battery pack, and this is something that I've really not seen before. I find that very, very cool, because now you can just plug it in here with the cable, use a normal USB adapter to plug it into the electricity, and you'll be able to charge that battery like this. So you don't have to carry around too many chargers with you, which I find a fantastic idea. What else? Other than that, we've got 3 O-rings for redundancy. So we make sure that we keep this torch nice and watertight, so we're not risking any water leakage inside the torch. What else is supplied? We've got a lanyard. As normal, we've got a spare ring, the orange one here for the back of the torch, and we've got spare O-rings, 3 spare O-rings. These ones here, just in case they get damaged, you've got spare ones here that you can use. So as mentioned before, the OrcaTorch D530 is not a video light for underwater, it is actually a regular diving light, or a flashlight, simply because the beam is only, and I say only, 8 degrees wide, which is not ideal for underwater filmmaking, basically not really usable for that, but as a normal regular dive light, this is actually quite cool, because I prefer having narrow beams when it comes to regular dive lights, not talking about filming underwater, but just regular dive lights, because that way you can actually just much easier point something out underwater rather than having a big video light that illuminates just a large area and your buddy doesn't really have a clue what you're trying to show them. With this one, you can actually circle whatever you're seeing, you can point it out much easier. Now the way this works, it has a push button, so pushing it once, you'll go to the highest level, 1300 lumen, pushing it again, you'll go to 380 lumen, and then turning it off again. Nothing fancy, but reliable, I would say, easy to work with, even with thicker gloves on, as we use here in Switzerland in the colder waters that we dive in here. Yeah, so it looks as all the Orca dive torches. It looks like a very solid made, proper made tool for bringing some light into the underwater world, even though this is not a diving or not a filming light, but it can definitely be of use when being out there without a camera, or as a basically backup light if your light on your camera fails on you while being underwater. Right, and I've also found now the mention of how deep down it is water resistant. It's down to 150 meters. Typically, I would say for the OrcaTorch products, much deeper than probably any of us will ever go when being underwater. And yeah, that's it. I'm really looking forward to taking this underwater dive light, dive torch on the next dive and just giving it a bit of a test, playing around with it a little bit, seeing how it works, and then giving you guys a proper review on that as well. Alright, and that should be it for today's video. Thank you very much guys for tuning in and spending this time with me here. If this video was useful to you, if you've got something out of it, please do not forget to hit that like button. You know it means a lot to me. And also consider subscribing to the channel so you're not missing out on any future videos, including the complete and proper review video of the OrcaTorch D530. Now I'm gonna put a link down in the description to the D530. If you guys want to go and check out that light, feel free to do so. It is an affiliate link, so if you guys decide you want to get yourself a OrcaTorch D530, feel free to use that link. It's gonna support and help this channel here as well by not adding any extra cost to your purchase. Thanks very much for that. And that's it, no more to say than happy diving. Thanks a lot for your time, and I will see you in the next one.